Erlin done. Alvin done. Tashwindran done. Okay, Gillian done. Okay, use a calculator. To find which of these values are rational and which are irrational. Okay, right, it's square root 500. Is it rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Yes, irrational. B, square root 289. Tashwindran?
Rational.
Yes, square root 289 is equal to 17, so it is rational. C, square root 27, Gideon?
Irrational.
Yes, irrational. Okay, D, square root 3 times square root 12. Alvin? Rational or irrational?
Rational.
Yes, rational. Because square root 3 times square root 12 means square root 36. Square root 36 is 6. So it is rational. E. Cube root of negative 729. Gerlin, is it rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Okay, press calculator. What do you get for this?
-9.
Yes, is negative time a rational or irrational number?
Rational.
Yes, it should be rational. F, right, is square root 361. Rational or irrational?
Rational.
Yes, rational. It is equals to 19. And then G, cube root of 25. Tashwindran, rational or irrational? Tashwindran, are you there?
Irrational.
Irrational. Yes, irrational. H, Gideon, cube root of 1331. Rational or irrational?
Rational.
Yes, it is equals to 11. Okay. Vocabulary questions. Copy and complete the sentence using the terms from the box. So you have 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Okay, you have one. Number that can be written as fractions we call, Alvin?
Rational.
Yes, rational numbers. So rational. These include, Gerlin, what decimal?
Recurring.
Yes, recurring. Okay, it means 0. Example, 0.333333. So it is 1/3. Right, it's recurring decimal and what decimal?
Terminating.
Yes, terminating. Terminating means 0.75. So it will not keep on going. Like 0.75, it is 75 out of 100. Numbers that cannot be written as fractions are called, Tashwindran?
Irrational numbers.
Irrational numbers. Yes. These include what of numbers? Okay, Gideon.
Square root of number.
Okay. Square root. Oh, one. Not perfect what?
Squares.
Yes, not perfect square. Okay, let me know once you have finished copying this. Yeah, right, it's done. Jilan done. Alvin done. Tashwindran done. Erlin done. Okay, a surd is a square root of a number. Okay, so that is not a square number. Or the cube root of a number that is not a cube number. Surd are irrational. So that means, okay, this one you can say square root 45, which is you can divide in okay, you see square root 45, the nearest, these two are the nearest square number. 45 is between 36 and 49. So that means 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, all the way until 48. These are all surd. Okay. So 45 is closer to 49 than 36. So then we can estimate, okay, if let's say you are without using your calculator, you know that square root 49 is 7, square root 36 is 6. So like what I mentioned here, 45 is closer to 49. So it is not in the middle. So it makes more sense if we guess the number will be 6.7 or 6.8 or even 6.6 something. Okay, for this part, we are just practicing how to estimate. Okay, how to estimate square root or how to estimate surd. Another example is this 31. 27 and 64 is this is cube root of 31. 27 and 64 is the closest cube number, right? So 31 is closer to 27. So meaning say that we can estimate 3.1 or 3.2. Okay, this part is for estimations. Any questions before I move on? Okay, then okay, here is the list of number. Write down a number that is both rational and integer. Tashwindran, both rational and integer.
Thirteen over 11.
13 over 11 is not an integer. Integer means a whole number. It has to be a rational. Yes, 13 over 11 is a rational, but it is not an integer. Okay, since they are looking for rational, which of these is irrational?
Negative square root 4.
Negative square root 4.
Integer.
Okay. This is an integer. All of these are rational, isn't it? Right. Sorry, except square root 8, isn't it? Square root 8 is not an integer. It is irrational. So this one rational. Beside this one, which one more? There's one more, Tashwindran.
Negative 21.
Yes. Okay. So these two are the rational and integer. Rational but not an integer. Gideon?
13 over 11 and then negative 7.2.
Negative 7.2 and then
13 over 11.
13 over 11. Yes. So irrational, like I mentioned just now, square root 8 is the only irrational. Okay, here is the list of number. Sort the number into rational and irrational. Okay, let me do it here. Rational. Irrational. Okay, Alvin, negative 5 is rational or irrational?
Rational.
Okay, rational. Green, 22 out of